Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can effectively start dropshipping on eBay.com. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand is the strategy that you need to implement, execute, and obviously understand before you start dropshipping on eBay. And that is the reason why we're making all of these videos for you guys, to give you guys an opportunity to actually really stand out and actually become successful dropshippers on eBay.com. Now, as you can see, eBay.com is a platform where you can buy, where you can trade, where you can auction and actually sell any product and every product. It could be a used product, it could be an open product, or it could be a product that you've taken from a other store and selling it on your store, which is called drop shipping. Now, as you can see on the top over here, there's a lot of categories such as electronics, motors, fashions, collectibles, sports, health and beauty, industrial equipment, and home gardens. Now, all these are opportunities for you guys to enter, and these are all the different categories that you can harness, because right now we live in a time and place where the internet has taken over, a digital age where the possibilities are truly endless. And obviously, in a global world, all we need to do is think locally and act globally, and we can reach every single location with every single market and sell our products and items and our services. So how can we make this journey very simple and straightforward? All you need to do is head over to this website, which is called AutoDS.com. Now, dropshipping with AutoDS saves you time, and you can quickly find and import trending products and monitor the price and stock 24/7, automatically processing orders, and so much more. This is that element, that competitive advantage that really makes the proper and organized dropshippers stand out from those who are just beginning. And that is the reason why we have brought this element to you, because we want you to get that competitive advantage and start a successful dropshipping business. They've helped 67,000 entrepreneurs. They have monitored more than 10 million products and annually assisted in sales of $200 million. They find trending dropshipping products for you, so you don't need to do the research. Now, there's two elements, guys. There's primary research and there's secondary research. Primary research is where you will physically go out and search and ask questions and make questionnaires and do interviews to find out exactly what product is selling. While on the other hand, you have secondary research, where you rely upon other organizations, enterprises, and businesses that do the research on your behalf. And AutoDS is one of those organizations that relies on the other element. You can pick the best selling products to fit your dropshipping stores. You can browse from the biggest US and China suppliers, comparing the cost, the shipping times, the review, and so much more. It's a one-click dropshipping product import. What does that mean, guys? Normally, what a lot of young entrepreneurs and early dropshippers tend to do is they head over to their eBay store and then they physically start adding products. They take pictures from AliExpress, from Alibaba, they copy the descriptions, they set the price, they get the product details, and all of that information is actually put physically one by one by them, which takes a lot of time. But with AutoDS, you can do all of that with one click, where you import the products that are already available. They have a 24/7 monitoring price and stock, so if you forget manually to check with your supplier for changes or prices or availability, AutoDS monitors this and makes automatic updates to your inventory. And even more, with automated dropshipping orders, you accept and process orders while you're away from your computer, so you don't need to sit down and look at if there might be an order that comes at 2 in the morning or 3 at night. You can easily do it the way you want. So this could be something that is set up and working on autopilot, where you're going ahead and working on your 9 to 5 and developing another stream of income for you that can help you break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. Because at the end of the day, living in today's time and age, we need to make sure that we have multiple sources of income that are coming towards us. That is the only way that we can actually survive and live a lifestyle that we always dreamed about. And you can easily take advantage of their Fulfilled by AutoDS solution for a full-scale order processing and returning processing and customer service messages. Everything is available. They are supported in the US, in EU, in China, and worldwide dropshipping supplier from SD, from Banggood, AliExpress, Amazon, GearBest, Overstock, Target, Costco, Alibaba, and even eBay and Costco. Now, all of these are available, and there's so many entrepreneurs that have spoken about them and talked about them, and they're using them themselves, and they have an active community, and you can join over 30,000 supportive dropshippers in their friendly online dropshipping community. They have different integrations such as the eBay tool integration, the Shopify dropshipping app, the WooCommerce. Obviously, once you click on the eBay dropshipping tools, you'll be taken to the most advanced eBay eBay dropshipping tool for product finding, pricing, stock management, automatic price optimization, and automated orders, and so much more. And obviously they search for the products, they create the product graphs, the product listings, the price, they order, they track, and they have customer support as well. And all these elements are taken care for you. And obviously you can take all the elements from creating the draft for the products and developing every element from scratch. Now the pricing is quite interesting. You can import 200 products for $9.90 per month, and you will be billed $36 annually if you go for this, and you can start with $1. And their basic automation features are the product importers, the product research, one-store integration, their draft manager, order manager, and so many other elements are going to be available for it. If you want to upgrade once you start, you can always go to the most popular one, which is $17.90, and you get with 400 starters. If you go for the $32.90, you get 800. If you want to choose a package for yourself, all you need to do is click on packages and select how many products listing you want. And obviously once you've done it, you can easily speak to this individuals and start buying it. If you go for the 10,000, it will cost us $299 per month, and we get all the advanced, plus we get import and price stock monitor with a VIP live chat support and a VIP ticket support. And obviously guys, once you include all these elements together, you get the poor product remover, which removes all the bad selling products and improves your sell-through and saves on the eBay fee. You get the automatic price optimization, that the system will automatically increase your profits after a product has a sale. It will also decrease its price if it has stopped selling to make it more competitive and improve your sales. So there's nothing that you need to do. All the things are done by AutoDS, and you don't have to look for hours when you can't find everything about your product and business from their advanced product filtering system. You can have advanced bulk changing system. You have a psychological pricing system that odd pricing can increase your sales for over 15%. And if you use their automatic smart pricing system, that will boost your sales effortlessly. With a full business overview dashboard that's available, you can get all the information that you require easily in front of you. You can even do manual dropshipping in the most automated way without an API connection, guys. And obviously you can feel ready to make it big with your dropshipping business. And all you need to do is understand and click on start for now for $1. And once you click on start for now for $1, you'll be taken onto the next page. Over here, guys, you can start your trial and automate your dropshipping by hitting your email address and continuing or signing up with Google. I personally always use Gmail because Gmail has all the information that we require, and we can easily sign in from any place and make sure that we have access to our platform and our dashboard. So once we click on it, we'll be able to select the selling channel that we need. Is it eBay? Is it Shopify? Is it Facebook? Is it Wix? It is WooCommerce. Now, one of the things, guys, I need to mention over here is never put your eggs in one basket. You should have an account on eBay. You should also have an account on Shopify. You should also sell on the Facebook marketplace. You should also have a shop on Wix, and you should be using WooCommerce as well. So there's a lot of individuals that come on each of these platforms, so you can harness all the power that is available to ensure that you can maximize your profits and increase your finances and break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you always needed. Once you've selected your selling channel, just click on next and select the right package for you. Remember, guys, you can always start with the $9.90 and upgrade to the $17.90 and head with the advanced at $32.90, and then always pick the one that you require as your business grows. Because at the end of the day, the most important element is understanding the different dynamics that are available, implementing the correct strategy, executing it, and scaling your business to heights that is never known before. If you need any support whatsoever, guys, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to use AutoDS to scale their businesses. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.